Hello and welcome to Blockchain Silver, the place where we analyze what in the world is going on in crypto. Today we're going to talk about Digibyte, the Bitcoin inverse trade. Warning, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for fun and entertainment purposes only. It is best to do your own due diligence, form your own conclusions, and invest based on your opinion of the market. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative and may lose value. Be safe out there. So this is a chart here of Bitcoin priced in dollars. And a couple things I want to point out. I've tailored these charts to be the same size. Bitcoin priced in dollars and Digibyte priced in Bitcoin. And so if you notice here, July ends in October. Bitcoin priced in dollars. July chart about ends at October. And I stumbled across this, I don't know, maybe a couple of months ago. And I've just been watching it. I haven't been actively trading Bitcoin against Digibyte, but I've realized that whenever Bitcoin was down in the dumps for an extended period of time, like this here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I noticed that sometimes Digibyte would be down, but then other times, like this right here, I noticed that everything was down 10, 15%, and Digibyte was like having the best week ever. And another area here, Digibyte was up when everything else was coming down. And so I started watching these two together, and it still wasn't enough because I take these apart and I look at each one day by day, and it's kind of hard to get an idea. And so I printed out two of them. I took Bitcoin priced in dollars and then Digibyte priced in Bitcoin. I put them on a Word document, both the same size. I printed them out and then I cut them and I put them on top of each other over a window. And I realized that Bitcoin, or that Digibyte, kind of acts as an inverse towards Bitcoin. And inverse trade is when it's a trade that does well when something else does bad. And when something else does well, it does bad. And so the dollar and gold, those are inverse trades. When the dollar starts to strengthen, gold will go down. When the dollar gets weak, gold will go up. And I'm kind of noticing that Bitcoin priced in dollars versus Digibyte priced in Bitcoin, that when Bitcoin priced in dollars goes down, for some odd reason, Digibyte goes up. And so what I've done here is I've superimposed the two pictures. And so Bitcoin is on the bottom, and I've done the best I could to get everything matched up as close as possible. And so take a snapshot of this picture in your mind right now. This is Bitcoin priced in dollars. So look at that one. And this here is Digibyte priced in Bitcoin. So take a look at that. Take snapshots. Here's a quick one of the two. Bitcoin, Digibyte. And now look at the similarities, or the inverse trades of these two. So this up here was, let me make sure I got this right. Yeah, this is Digibyte. And so this is Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin comes down, Digibyte kind of holds its own. Then Digibyte comes down. Right at that same time, Bitcoin goes up. And then Bitcoin starts to finish out and come down. What happens? Digibyte goes up. Then they both just kind of trade sideways. And let's see. This here, hard to tell because these two are kind of similar. But it looks like they both came down there. So you really wouldn't have been safe But then again here, so that's Bitcoin. So Bitcoin goes up, and what happens? Digibyte comes down. And so I've noticed this, and now here, this was like the best one. I noticed here that when everything was down in the dumps, I saw that Digibyte was up like 8% priced in Bitcoin. And so this is Digibyte going up. So this one here is obviously Bitcoin coming down. It's this big, that big red candle there. That's Bitcoin priced in dollars. What happens at the time? Digibyte goes up. And you can also tell this from the commodity channel index. When this would be Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin priced in dollars, as Bitcoin was maxing out, and just as it was starting to touch, that would have been a great time to get out and go into Digibyte. Bitcoin, Digibyte, that's kind of showing you that Bitcoin's over with and Digibyte's getting started. And I've seen the same exact thing again with the commodity channel index over here. So Bitcoin now is just getting up and coming into it. Looks like it's probably going to have a good next week or two. And Digibyte looks like it's done for now, and it's just touching. So based on this picture, it's saying that the trade to be in right now would be Bitcoin, and out of Digibyte and in Bitcoin. So again, I always give you my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This is just something that I've noticed. This is just past history of Bitcoin priced in dollars, Digibyte priced in Bitcoin. It doesn't mean that this trend will continue. By no means does this mean that it'll keep going on like this forever. It may not. I don't know. So don't ever invest in anything without doing your own due diligence and coming up with your own conclusion. And so that's it for today. Just something to look out for. So if you like the video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank you for coming over to Blockchain Silver. And remember to stay safe out there.